Obyte Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Obyte Wallet app isn't your typical crypto wallet. It's built on something very different, a directed acyclic graph or DAG. Sounds complex? It is. But it also means Obyte might just change how we think about blockchain altogether. Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the biggest strength of Obyte is speed and scalability. Because it uses DAG instead of a traditional blockchain, transactions are confirmed almost instantly. There's no mining, no blocks, just direct validation between users. That makes it fast and energy efficient. The Obyte Wallet app also supports smart contracts and decentralized identities, allowing users to create private verifiable transactions. For example, you can prove your identity or balance without revealing personal data, a game changer for privacy-focused users. Another advantage is stability. Obyte has been around since 2016, making it one of the longest-running DAG projects in crypto. Its wallet is open source, non-custodial, and built with transparency in mind. Now, on to the cons. First, the learning curve is real. Obyte's structure is different from typical blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and new users might find the setup a bit confusing at first. Second, adoption is still limited. While the technology is powerful, it hasn't yet achieved mainstream recognition. That means fewer integrations and a smaller community compared to major networks. Finally, liquidity can be an issue. Because Obyte operates in a niche ecosystem, buying or selling assets may require extra steps or third-party exchanges. In conclusion, the Obyte Wallet app is a bold step forward for those who want speed, privacy, and innovation beyond the blockchain norm. The surprising truth? It might be one of crypto's best-kept secrets, but only for users willing to dig a little deeper.